Moist baked chicken breast along with root vegetables and green beans, all in my cast iron skillet. So I have my chicken breast here in a bowl. I didn't split or anything. These are medium-sized chicken breasts. I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper, and then I'm going to use some chicken base, a broth base of bouillon. And I have the powdered kind here. So I'm going to just use this. I'm going to use it. And that's all the salt we're going to need. All the salt's in the bouillon. And then paprika, oregano. I'm going to pour the juice over, and that was just a few tablespoons. This is about a quarter cup of citrus juice that I have here. Cover this and let this sit for about 30 minutes to an hour so it can absorb all the flavors. So I have here my cast iron skillet, and I let it heat up in the oven. My oven's at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have some russet potatoes. I sliced them thin. I kind of peeled some of the peeling off of some of them, and I let it soak in cold water for about an hour. I'm going to do a light dusting of black pepper over the top of these potatoes, and then I'm going to just put in a little bit of onions here that I sliced. I'm just going to sprinkle some of that onion over on top. Some carrots and string beans. Now if you want to, I'm going to put my string beans in towards the end because I don't want them to be mushy. But I'm going to put my carrots here on top. I just have a few carrots that I sliced up. The chicken breast on top. And I'm going to just drizzle that juice over, and then I'm going to place some more onions on top of the chicken. Now I'm going to put this in a preheated 375 degree oven. I'm going to reduce the temp to 350, and I'm going to let this bake for about an hour and 20 minutes. But we're going to add the string beans in towards the last few minutes of the cooking. Here's the chicken. I took it out of the oven after about 48 minutes. Afterwards, I stirred in the string beans that I cut up, and I cooked it for another 15 minutes or so, and then I added some salt and pepper to taste, and then I put the chicken back on top, and I put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. So here is everything together. And you can add salt and pepper if you desire. This is sort of a low salt meal. So here's the chicken. It's nice and juicy and tender. And you see that bouillon powder we used gave it kind of like a dry rub look as well. Everything is absolutely delicious. This is just a very simple meal for you guys to throw together if you need something that's just easy, doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and you don't have a lot of ingredients on hand. This is perfect. It's satisfying. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share this video. Please add it to a playlist. Please leave me a comment if you have any. If you have a recipe request, please leave that as well. Please don't forget to stop by and check out my other channel, The Sugary Sweet. I've been uploading baking recipes there. Stay tuned. I have a lot of recipes that are coming. I've been filming a lot of requests. Please be patient with me, guys, and thank you all so much for the support. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together to love one another. Thanks for watching.